to Music with me, Miss Julie, and today I'd like to share some songs with you about farm animals. I have some of my soft toys behind me and some puppets ready to sing some songs about farm animals. And the first song today is going to be about some animals that you might find if you go to visit a farm. They're finger puppet ones, really fun ones. That's my little cow. And here's my little duck. And I'm going to hide them behind my back. And we did this song a long time ago, you might remember. Little cow, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Little duck, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Let's see what other animals might be in my basket. Oh, a pink pig and a rooster. Look at that rooster. Little pig, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Little rooster, where are you? Here I am, cock-a-doodle-doo. So that's a fun one. If you have any finger puppets, you could do that, or you could just pretend and use your fingers and hide them behind your back. And the next song I want to do today is about an animal that used to help farmers a long time ago, used to help farmers do a lot of the work on the land, and that was their horse. And this song I'm going to use the rhythm sticks, because it reminds me a little bit of Cloppity Clop of the horse. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Just let your feet go clippity clop. Your tail goes swish, your wheels go round. Giddy up, we're off to town. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Just let your feet go clippity clop. Your tail goes swish, your wheels go round. Giddy up, we're off to town. Another animal that helps the farmer, particularly out in the fields, is a dog. I used to have a long time ago a border collie that helped to bring the sheep home at the end of the day. See the little tail? And this little puppy has a name I think you might know. There was a farmer had a dog, Bingo was his name, oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name, oh. And sometimes this kind of dog helps to look after the sheep. Oh, Mr. Chicken's falling over, put you down there. Fluffy white sheep, which also reminds me of a nursery rhyme I think many of you will know. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. Followed her to school one day. That was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. Made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school. Oh, so fluffy, lovely to touch. Just like my other friend who lives in the farmer's house and sometimes in the barn. Pussycat. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? Oh, I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I chased a little mouse under the chair. And I think I even have, I have a little mouse. I have a little mouse that might be running under the chair. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I chased the little mouse under the chair. Pussycats like to chase the mice. Now this next song, I think probably most of you will know. That's a very old nursery rhyme, not for white sheep, but Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Let's see if you can think of some animals that you would like to be on old MacDonald's farm. And you could help me by making the noises. So let me think. Today we saw old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let me think. could think of some more animals, I'm sure, and add to that song. Maybe the mouse was running away from that little kitten. It's time for me to say goodbye now. So see if you can think of some more animals to add to your list. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you. Goodbye, goodbye, and how do you do? Bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, everyone.